Hi traders, today is 26th of September 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market. In this video, I will show you how I do day trade for crude oil market WTI CLX 9 November contract 2019. So I just sent out a sell signal during the London session. So this is the sell signal provided at 56.59. Target is 56.20, so the lowest it goes to 56.29. So most of you, some of you already exit at profit. I also already exit at profit accidentally, and now I resume back inside the trading to gain back, because still there's some distance from the TP area. Hopefully the price will not return back to the upper side. So at this moment, this is the first signal I sent out around 56.59. The target is somewhere at 56.20 below here. So now market move in the sideways movement. I did re-enter the market because I accidentally exited, but it was not a good entry. Somewhere here, just at the tip of it, but not really good one. So I have to be cautious because already profit around let's take a look. Already profit around 430 here. You can see here 430 and waiting for the market to go further down. So US session will begin in 30 minutes. Will kick in for 30 minutes. At this moment, I would like to say that in this video, this is how I do day trading based on the hidden volume setup which I created by myself, and now it's still waiting for the market to blow further down. In case this is the nearest high, I had to be more careful on the price movement of the reversal. Looks good at this moment. So the total profit now is around 520 US dollar in profit, and still waiting for it to penetrate far below. In case the price reverse, then have to escape just to protect the profit I have made. So a little bit of analysis, so as you can see that the market okay, let's take a look. This is suppose the somewhere here the entry level, and targeted profit is not much here, so I'm still expecting for the market to penetrate below. Okay, see there's a big jump in the chart just now. Let's go into the smaller time frame so you can see. Okay, that's a good one. Hit TP, go further down, so it was in a good profit. So I will remove my stop loss down there. So let's wait if the price go further down. We hit our TP, but I still want to hold it. 56.20, so now it's 50. The lowest is 56.15. So just want to type something. Then hit TP. Okay, just write it. So this is how I go for my live broadcast. So we hit the TP, was a good one. So let's go back to the chart. So I still haven't exit my position, so I will exit. So total now is 900. Should be a good enough for me. Is it 900? Okay. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. So total profit is 860 US dollar in profit from London session. So in 20 minutes we will get and find the US session. So I will continue this video later on. Market did go further down at this moment. If I hold it, gain some more. but no need to be greedy. As I mentioned before, we will penetrate this lowest low. I'm still expecting for market to go somewhere here, maybe, and then for a reversal could be the possibility somewhere. By the way, this is a hourly chart, just to get the big picture of the market, and this is a lower time frame, 5 minutes. So this is how what actually happened in the smaller time frame. It was a good one. Bearish for London session. I'm still expecting for it to make maybe a reversal during during US session, but this candle is quite strong. A strong candle for the bearish movement. Perhaps it will go further down. But at this moment, I'm waiting for US session signal. Maybe it will appear in 20 minutes time. The price keep maintained to the downward movement at this moment, as expected just now, because it is a strong bearish candle right before the US session begins. So if the price fail to break further down, then I'm expecting for it to go sideways. Then another down could be a sharp reversal. Most likely not possible, I think so, but have to wait for the technical setup or signal. So for US session we are still waiting for the setup to be appeared any moment soon. So should have one signal for tonight. Quite late at this moment. Time now is 9:05 a.m. New York time. Supposed to have one signal to show. Could be in the next 4 minutes there will be a signal. So let's wait patiently. Okay guys, we just received another sell signal for my setup for US session. So this is a scalping technique. So I will enter the market at 55.87, which is about somewhere here. Then I will go for another short sell, scalping the market. So as you can see from my live broadcast, already sent out the signal 58.87, and expecting for a quick 14 ticks, $140 in profit to go further down. So it will trigger any moment soon. So let's wait and see. Hopefully it will be on our side for another bearish movement. Maybe it could be the last cycle of the bearish movement for tonight. So this setup is from my London session, from my US session, as a scalping technique. I think we almost in the market. We already in the market. So let's wait patiently. I will use my TradingView platform, because dradzi platform have a difficulty to see further down. I'm not sure how the setting is. It's quite difficult. So we go for a time frame 5 minutes. And okay, so I have enough profit for today, 860 US dollar. So the next entry should be at 55.87, somewhere here, and I'm expecting for a quick TP maybe around 56. Sorry, what's the 55.73? That's the signal is not 55.73. It's not far, just around here. It will be a quick one, because this is a scalping, and hopefully the market burst further down. So I will change to much more easier presentation. We'll use candle so we can see better. So the market, we already in the market, and let's hope the price reverse back. Oh, sorry, not reverse back. Let's hope the price burst further down to the downside movement, which is not really far. It will be a quick one, hopefully. Let's wait. It's quite interesting. we found one high volume waiting at 94, 55, 94, 230 plus, which is quite high. So this will create a demand for the market to go further up. Although the entry is around 55.87, so I'm still waiting for it to go. This one is a profit taking activity. The price okay jump. As you can see, the price jump. If you watch this video, rewind it a few seconds, so you will see how the volume here impact the market. The price did reverse back sharply. Still waiting. Hopefully it will not fully reverse, because I'm still expecting for the market to go for the bearish movement. It looks very strong. So we will try to do scalping. This is a day trading US session, so it's quite typical for the market to have this kind of behavior. It's very strong volume kick in. Time now is 9:20 a.m. New York time. So let's take a look on the volume if we can find another higher volume on the downside. Yes, I found at 55.76, 55.75, which is quite high. So this might create a tendency for the market to go for this direction in the next 30 minutes. So let's wait patiently. From my signal, the highest, the out stop loss is around 56.10. So the highest just now is 56.09, which is at this price level. So one tick away. Lucky enough. But the thing is, still waiting for it to go further down. So it should be a good scalping technique, and so hopefully I can record it live. By the way, this is time frame 5 minutes. If you compare the chart I mentioned and show just now earlier in this video, it was a 1 hour chart. Now it's a 5-minute chart because I'm scalping for US session, but for London session I do not scalping. I will take some time to be in the market, whether in 3 minutes or 4 minutes time, sorry, 3 hours to 4 hours time. Okay, let's go back to the chart. So let's take a look on the volume. Still we can find a large volume waiting at this price level, which is where I will exit my position. 156 waiting at 55.76, 55.75, 108. So could be some more high volume on the downside, which I believe it has. Let's wait, and later we'll take a look once the price open the depth of market for the price below 56.68. So still bearish at this moment. I'm still waiting for the price to go back to the entry level at 55.86, sorry, 55.87. Suddenly market spike down. Let's see in the small time frame. Yes, this is where it spiked down and hit the TP at 55.76. Adding my profit around, I don't know, 100 plus. So now total profit for today is 980 US dollar in profit for today. It was a good one, and the market might go further down, so I'm still expecting for it to reach far below at 55.50. Could be possibly. And let's wait for another few more minutes. Maybe it will spike one more time, so let's wait. Okay, since it looks like it tried to go on one more time to the downside movement, so let's wait. This could be one of the best about the setup. It will catch the burst of the market in a split seconds, kind of price movement. Small TP just now, which is at let's see the market with a quick good scalping. So there's also one more signal, but I'm not sure is it a valid one or not. Let's wait patiently. It should be enough for me today actually, because we are already reaching almost 1,000 US dollar in profit. So this is the total. I think in the market will go further down. So there's one more signal to short at 55.79. So already prepare. I think I will send out this signal. So let's see. I just send out the signal. So the second entry for tonight for US session is 55.79, shorting to 55.60. So let's go back to the chart. Price not yet trigger, but this is a solid signal from my setup to short sell the market one more time. So let's take a look on the volume from for the large lower. Okay, 55.76, 55.75, 55.70, 55.60 is quite a huge number. A lot of stop further down. A lot of good exit point and very high volume waiting there. Okay, the second signal already hit at 55.79. Looks very interesting at this moment. So this is the price for our second scalping signal. I use the 55.79, still waiting for the market to bust further down. So now we're entering 10 a.m. New York time. Market will kick in with a higher volume, more volume than 1 hour before. Yes, so as mentioned, more volume, so need to be careful. So there's a large volume detected somewhere 55, 56.10, which is not really good. This is our stop loss from the first signal. Still waiting for the second signal to be triggered at the 55.79. Still not yet trigger our second signal for short sell position of 55.79. So this is also my US session signal. The small triangle is the profit during London session been taken. So now it's more 100%. Still waiting for a sudden burst to the downside. This is the spike during the US session of 10 a.m. New York time. So now it looks the price reduced back further down. This is the nearest low which I exit before from the first signal US session scalping. So today we will wait and waiting for another waiting for my signal to be triggered at 55.79. So you can see 55.79 still waiting. There's a all profit just now, scalping as well around 100 plus, and still waiting why the market move on the sideways movement. I guess based on the Elliott wave should be something like this, and then further down could be possibly, but let's wait for the clear direction whether the market will go for bearish or bullish. Okay guys, the second signal just triggered, so I will scalp for another few more ticks for tonight. So as you can see market did move sideways at this moment for the last 10 candle of 5-minute chart. So hopefully the market penetrate further down. So at the moment we are total profit 980 US dollar in profit, and we current floating negative is around 12 minus 12. Yeah. Still waiting. This one, the price still at the negative territory. Once it go below the entry level, somewhere here, 55.79, then we go further down. Sorry. Right, formation of a new candle. Looks good. Let's go for this trading view chart. Looks much more easier to see. We are about 4 ticks or 3 ticks away. Hopefully you can see that the market will go quickly further down. We're somewhere here. Is the WTI Crude? Okay, let's wait. Could be another sideways movement. Doesn't look good at this moment. Try make some pulling up. It's quite huge actually. But still the market looks bearish. Only we just enter the market at the not at the fully breakout level. But let's wait patiently. Need to protect my profit as well. So this moment we are minus 17 ticks. Could be this is the one. Market will go further down. Maybe. Let's take a look on this chart. Much more nicer. Okay, yeah. It's quite a big move for this one candle after three candle in the white. So let me change to the bar chart so hopefully you can see clearer. This is quite interesting, my sideways movement. Okay, now we're back on the positive. Then the price already spiked down. Okay, you can see here. Sorry, I couldn't how I don't know how to do the chart to the top and freeze it. So let's wait patiently. If the price reverse back, then we better exit the okay. Those the price is quite strong on the bearish movement, so let's wait. Okay, we're back. This candle is quite important. If keep red and touch this price level, so I'm still expecting for the market to go to far more below until maybe 55.50. At this moment the price is at 55.79. Okay, it break through. Looks good, very fast. It's quite healthy. This is what we want. The hidden volume technique. This is where the volume most will pull out. Okay, we are in the positive movement. Sorry about this chart. Okay, should be a breakout any moment soon. Have I already exit? Okay, I almost exit. I will not take much. Only scalping a few ticks. Shit. Already turn back. If the price revert back, then I will not risk much. Already the profit today is more than 1000. As you can see here, 1010, 1020. I think good enough for me. Should be good enough. So let's wait a few moments. I want to secure this 1000 USD in profit. Market already reverse back up. Yeah, almost touched the TP, but the market reversed back. So that's our vision is. By the way, you can move my stop loss to the nearest high, which is quite important to protect some profit. We are back at 46. Let's take a look on our chart. Okay, any moment it will blow further down. 6 ticks to go. Okay, looks good. If I exit now, okay, because I already reached my target. 1000 US dollar in profit in London and US session. Okay, that's sweet. There's a high volume detected. Yeah, just keep watching it. About 100 plus. Suddenly become lower. Could be something related to this hidden volume. Okay, looks good. Very nice strong candle. Have some patience. Okay, we reached there. There's a lot of high volume waiting here under 1490. So this is where I will exit my position. Okay, looks good. The target is reaching for more than 1000 profit. We are not far. We don't want to lose any trade tonight. Just exit. Okay, exactly 1000. I don't care. My target is 1000 US dollar in profit. So that's it. $1000 in profit. So by the way, guys, thank you for watching. So there's a link below in the description. You may find and watch. Join the club. Join the subscription. Feel free to click the link below. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.